Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. In this video, I'm going to discuss solution to the logical puzzle that I've shared a few days before. This basically was on distribution of idli vada among 5 friends. Let's just first see what was the problem and what is the best way to approach such questions. So this was the problem, this or was the logical puzzle. 5 friends meet every morning at Sri Sagar restaurant for an idli vada breakfast. So there is a different number of idlis and vadas that has been consumed. The number of idlis consumed are 1, 4, 5, 6, 8, while the number of vadas consumed is 0, 1, 2, 4, 6. And of course, there's one more additional data about the consumption of chutney. So there's some people have consumed the chutney and some have not. So the data that has been given to us is the number of vadas eaten by Ignatius 3 times the number of vadas consumed by the person who eats 4 idlis. So there's certain, there's 7 points given about, and based on these information, we have to figure out the number of idlis eaten by each person, the number of vadas eaten by that person, and whether that person has consumed chutney or not. So we have the best way to approach this problem would be to make up a table wherein we have 3 parameters to find out the number of idlis, the number of vadas, and the chutney consumption. So let's see how we are going to approach this problem, or what is the best way in which these classification puzzles can be best solved. So here we have the table wherein on the vertical axis we can see the name of friends, and on the horizontal we can see the parameters to be matched by us is the idli, vada and chutney. So let's just first quickly write down the number of idlis. So the number that can go into the idli column is 1, 4, 5, 6, 8. The numbers that can go into the vadas column is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. And for chutney, it's only two things, either consumed or not consumed. So we could have a cross or a tick. Okay. So let's just start assigning the data and filling up this table. So reading the first point, the number of vadas eaten by Ignatius 3 times the number of vadas consumed by the person who eats 4 idlis. Now, if you look at the numbers that has been assigned to vadas like 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, there is only one number which is divisible by 3, because number of vadas eaten by Ignatius 3 times. So it has to be that number should be such that it's a 3 times of another number. So we can see that thing can only be possible with 2 and 6. That means the number of vadas eaten by Ignatius is actually 6. Now this is thrice the number of vadas consumed by the person who eats 4 idlis. So that means there is a person who is eating 2 vadas. The same person is eating 4 idlis. Right now we don't know whom to assign this, but we know this 4 idli and 2 vada would go to one specific person. Now 3 persons, including the one who eats 4 vadas, eat without chutney. Okay, we cannot use this as of now. Sandeep does not take any chutney, so we put a cross here. The one who eats 1 idli a day does not eat any vada or chutney. Further, he is not Mukesh. So there is another person for whom we know that idli count is 1, vada count is 0, and he does not take any chutney. And also this person cannot be Mukesh. Of course, he is also not Ignesh. Now Daljit eat idli with chutney and also eats vada. So what we know, this person is also not Daljit. This person is also not Ignesh. Biman eats 2 more idlis than Ignesh, but Ignesh eats 2 more vadas than Bimal. That means this person can also not be Bimal, because Bimal is eating both idli and vada. So now this person can only be Sandeep. So Sandeep would be consuming 1 idli and 0 vadas. Now, reading the data which is given for women, women eats 2 more idlis than Ignesh, but Ignesh eats 2 more vadas than women. Okay, that means if Ignesh is eating 6 vadas, women must be eating 4 vadas. Okay, because look at this point. Ignesh eats 2 more vadas than Bimal, and Bimal eats 2 more idlis than Ignesh. This can be satisfied if Ignesh has 6 idlis and Bimal is eating 4. Now Mukesh, who does not take chutney, Mukesh is not taking chutney, eats half as many vadas as the person who eats twice as many idlis as it does. So we need a relationship of half and twice in vadas and idlis. Now 8 4, if we do half of this, we'll get 4 2. Half of 8 is 4 and then twice of 2 is 4. So Mukesh is the person who's eating 4 idlis, and we also know the person who's eating 4 idlis would consume 2 vadas. So that comes here. For Daljit we are left with 5-1. Daljit will eat 5 idlis and 1 vada, and Daljit is consuming chutney. Now 3 persons including the one who eats, this should be 3. 3 persons including the one who eats 4 vadas eat without chutney. The 4 vadas are eaten by Biman. So Biman is also the one who's not consuming chutney. That means chutney is consumed by Ignesh and Daljit. So this is a problem where a bit of mathematical intervention was required, doing all those number juggling up twice, thrice, or half. And so that's how that particular aspect has also been involved in this solving this puzzle. So I hope now the solution to this particular idli vada problem is clear to you. Look forward to another problem. Thank you. Bye bye.